Yep, over here put some new coilovers. Apparently these 19s, for some reason, should have bought some better ones, but yep, as you can see, they're hitting right off the bat, just the front ones. So I ended up putting on factory 17s. Then over here had a little mishap. As you can see, cars on the ground. But that just happened. Good thing I wasn't underneath or nothing. That would have been a doozy. Oh, yeah. Yep, factory jack gave out. It's not the first one. First BMW one though. I've had some GM ones. Just any kind of jack, Toyotas. You gotta be careful. I suggest don't use them. Yep, like I said, it split on me. I heard it. Luckily, I had a backup. I had my jack in the back, so held it in place. But it's on the floor, so I gotta figure out a way to block it up and put my wheel back on. Yeah, it happens. Stay safe out there.